Good morning and welcome to the Scanr mobile application demo. Upon launching the application, you will be greeted with the first step of the sign-in screen. If your phone has multiple email addresses associated on it, you will get the drop-down list asking you to select the email address you want to use. If you only have one set up in the phone, it will auto-select that phone and you'll go straight to the next step. Phone uses multi-authentication through a provider. In our case, we're going to be using the Microsoft provider. So we'll put in required information, and then it'll ask you for the PIN from your authentication app. So we'll just punch that in. And there's your authentication. Now you'll see the home screen to the Scanr application. The main screen shows you previous scan history. The green means all of these have been submitted, so we'll start with a new one. Click the plus button at the bottom right, where you're greeted with the new page. The room location is just the notes information that will be added to the list when it gets emailed out. The application has multiple ways of scanning. You can use the phone's built-in camera. You can use typing it in through a text input, or you can use a connected handheld scanner. We'll start with the built-in option first. So we'll click the plus on the right, and that brings up the camera. Now all you have to do is point to the QR code, and it pulls the information for you and attaches the date and time of when it was scanned. We're going to click the plus button again. This time I'm going to enter a manual one. You can see at the bottom it says tap here. We'll just put in a random serial. Click the checkbox. Every time you do a manual entry, it's going to require a note as to why you had to do it. Click OK. Adds it with the note, and gives you an indication on the far right showing that this was a manual entry. Now, the fastest way to scan QR codes or barcodes in the application is using a handheld scanner. I'm going to plug in the handheld scanner to the phone's USB. You'll hear some beeping. The way you sync the barcode scanner to the phone is first you give it access. Then you click the scanning icon next to the plus button. That gives you a barcode on the screen. Using the handheld scanner, you scan that barcode, and that creates the sync between the phone and the device. From here, it's just a point and click. So this is the quickest way of adding scans to the system. From here, you can submit, save, or close out. Every time you add a scan, it automatically saves. So even if you hit close by mistake, your data is still saved. Now you can see on the home screen that this one's red and in draft mode. Once you're set and you're ready to submit, click back in. You can click save. Click back in. You can click submit. That submits the report, sends out an email. The email goes to the user, and it can also be set to go to a specific administrator or a specific inbox to collect all of these scans. I will show you an example of that here. And there you can see all the information that was in the scan, date, times, barcodes, and even manual and notes. It's all set in the email. Back in the application, you can see the one we just submitted is at the top. It shows 6 scans and it shows green and has been submitted. That concludes the Scanr demo. Thank you.